In this video, we're diving into how to promote recurring affiliate offers with retention tracking. If you're looking to not just earn once, but build a sustainable income stream with affiliate marketing, this is the video you need to watch till the end. I've tried all the popular tools out there, and I'll be showing you the one I personally recommend for tracking your recurring affiliate sales and boosting retention. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below if you want to follow along. The key to promoting recurring affiliate offers is consistency, both in driving traffic and ensuring that your customers stay engaged. Retention tracking is crucial because it lets you measure how long your leads are sticking around, how often they're making purchases, and when they're likely to churn. This gives you the insights you need to increase that lifetime value and keep those commissions rolling in month after month. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to choose the right recurring affiliate offers. When selecting offers, think about the value they bring to your audience. The more value, the better your retention. Focus on products or services that are solving ongoing problems for your target market. If your affiliate offer doesn't provide continuous value, you won't see long-term retention. Once you've chosen your offers, the next step is tracking your retention. Here's where the software we'll be using comes in. It gives you powerful tracking tools that let you monitor how often customers are renewing their subscriptions or purchases. You'll know if they're signing up, dropping off, or just sitting in limbo so you can act on that data. To set up retention tracking, start by integrating your affiliate program with the tracking tool. This could be done via a plugin or an API, depending on the software. Once it's set up, you'll be able to monitor the key retention metrics: average customer lifespan, churn rate, and customer lifetime value. These will give you insights into where you need to improve and where you're already winning. Next, leverage automated email sequences. Once you've got retention data, you can tailor your email campaigns to keep your subscribers engaged. Send personalized offers based on their behavior. If they've been a customer for 6 months, send them an exclusive deal or reminder about how your offer continues to benefit them. The more personalized and value-driven your communication, the higher your retention rate. One thing to remember is that regular follow-ups and offering ongoing incentives can keep your audience loyal. Think of it like this. If you're promoting a subscription-based service, offering a free month for referrals or discounts for early renewals will keep users invested in your affiliate offer and reduce churn. Now, if you're looking for a tool that does all this and more, the software we're using makes it easy to manage everything in one place: tracking, automated emails, and retention analytics. It's a game changer, and it integrates seamlessly with your affiliate offers to give you clear insights and control over your income streams. Again, don't forget the exclusive free trial in the description below to start tracking your recurring affiliate offers with retention today. To wrap it up, here's the key takeaway. Promoting recurring affiliate offers isn't just about getting clicks. It's about building a relationship with your audience and continuously providing value to reduce churn and maximize lifetime value. With retention tracking, you can measure how well your offers are performing and adjust your strategies to improve. To quickly recap, choose the right offers, set up retention tracking with the right software, use personalized email campaigns, and leverage incentives to keep your audience loyal. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to get started today. Happy promoting!